My name is Sequester McKinney, and this is my prototype. This is term 1509, and I wanted to demo this prototype. As you can see, I went through and chose to use a more thumbnail pattern. This is for women of UFC to bantamweight, and this deals with my collection information that I had from the beginning. I gathered the information about each of the fighters and used that to come up with thumbnails. I initially only submitted 5 because I didn't realize that I needed to do the extra 5 to get the extra points. But so I did 10 images here to go ahead and demonstrate how the application itself will be laid out. As you can see, I use proximity to keep everything neatly governed and brought together. These would be 10 images here on the home page of the app. As soon as you approach it, you would just see the thumbnail image sizes of each of the fighters. I also chose iPhone 6 Plus as my phone of choice since I own an iPhone 6 Plus, and so that was a choice that I made regarding the device. And also wanted to clearly lay out the title. I used Roboto for the font type at the top here and throughout the application. So let's fire this up and see how it goes, and you'll see the next screen because I had created a home screen and then a detail screen. So you can see, sorry about that. So you can see the detail screen here. Then the properties are laid out underneath the image of the fighter as center, and then you get more details of the fighter: the name, wins, losses, draw, age, weight, height, nickname, and I left in some sample text because there may be some extended text I'm gonna add. And then I also added that traditional back to the home screen button. So let's run this and see how we go. So here it is. We're on the detail page now because I started it in detail, but we would have started here on the home screen. You can see clearly here are all the buttons. And so you click on a fighter, essentially you click and then you go into a more detailed screen of the fighter, and you would have all of this information filled in here for the fighter. And if you want to go back to another fighter, you go back, you click on that fighter, you get their information, click on this fighter, you get this information, click on this fighter, get this information, and so forth and so on. So each one of those buttons goes into a detailed screen of the fighter. So hopefully this has been informative and helpful, and I hope you have enjoyed my prototype demonstration. Thank you.